Hello, hello, hello. Happy Monday, happy new month, and welcome to the live trading room here with me and Amin. Thank you so much for joining in, everyone. Hello, hello. Hi, Amin. How was your weekend?
Hello, everyone. So my weekend was full of pizza. That's it.
Full of bread.
Full of pizza and ice cream. I didn't get time to trade anything. I was off eating. Sorry, guys.
Okay, good. Eating is good, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so just a little disclosure here, guys. If you're trading with us, just remember to use your own analysis. Obviously, we are trading here, we're going to scalp, but just always use your own risk management, trade your own plan, and let's see and figure out what the market has to give to us this Monday. And we see a lovely comment here. D says, hello, hello to the best live stream, this best company, and the best support. Thank you, Leveraged. Woohoo, let's go. I had a little giggle about
We
this
thank you.
one. Let's try and talk Spanish. ¿Esto es en inglés? Sí, no español.
Sí, pero
Pero,
that's it. That's it.
that's it. Pero te amo mucho. That's it.
Gracias.
Gracias, muchos bambinos. Oh my goodness. Marcos, hello, hello. He's laughing already.
Nice
Good
start.
to have you here. Okay, Fabi is also laughing. Sorry, Fabio, only English. Our Spanish unfortunately sucks. Me and Amin, we need to go to get the Spanish lessons. We need to get that app. What is it
Yeah,
called?
Duel Go.
Yes, Duolingo, I think. Yeah.
Duolingo.
That one.
Yes.
So, and then once we learn Spanish, then we can be like, okay, let's trade gold just in Spanish, you know? So,
Let's scalp. How we
yeah,
say in
let's
Spanish.
scalp.
Let's scalp.
So anyhow, obviously this is a new week, new month, and I think last month um we closed our monthly candles. So gold is, as you can see, very much look at that rejection wick on monthly.
This is
So we
strong.
might see it's strong. It's strong rejection, but also now I think a lot of traders think that we will have some kind of uh, you know, price will try to retrace, obviously, but we'll see what it's going to do. For me, though, I did look a little bit into the charts before I came on, and I'm interested in this resistance area in here. So I want to see for the price to come to here and then sell off. So that is what I'm thinking. Antonio says, I mean, can you try to read this?
Yeah, he said, I have very beautiful eyes, and you want to see how it goes. I'm kidding. He
Okay,
said, hello, everyone from Paraguay.
Paraguay. Desde. Saludos is hi. What is desde? From?
I think yes.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, this is, I know what it's going to be. We don't need no Duolingo. We just going to learn Spanish with you because
We
apparently we have
exactly.
many
This is good.
Spanish. This is really good. Okay. So let's cancel our scalping session. Let's learn Spanish
Spanish
after this.
trading. Let's go.
Spanish trading. Let's go. Hello, hello. Hey, Dar. Good afternoon from my side. Um, just want to shout out this trader, awesome trader. First of all, always very active in our Discord community and got his payout last week. So congrats. Whoop, whoop. Well done on
Bravo.
payout. Bravo. Okay. So yeah, for me for gold, I'm just gonna probably wait a little bit until I see some kind of bullish push. Then for GU, I saw this that the price went. Unfortunately, I was not in the charts at that time, and it is what it is. Just missed setup. And for EU, I actually was thinking we could sell EU now. If I see nice break below these lows, then I could be possibly selling EU to go even lower. So that's my idea. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna let you share your charts and see what you have in your mind. What are you looking at? Okay, go
So,
for it.
trying to make some drawing. I like drawing.
Yeah.
Remind me of my children. So let's get back to 30 minutes time frame. How it goes.
Mm-hmm. And it's gold, by the way, guys.
So this
He's
is
looking
gold,
at gold.
and as you can see, we are between two key levels on 30 minutes, and we are on the upside of this range of gold. Okay, and as you can see, we had multiple rejections on the 30-minute resistance many times, and we are stick inside of it. I'm still trying to catch a reversal because you can see right now we have a lot of revert hammer with the long wick to the top, and I will trying to catch maybe a reversal on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so for that I just go to the 5 minute time frame, and I saw that we have multiple rejections on this trend area.
I like
Okay, as you
that.
can see, for me I like to draw trend areas between two lines instead of only a trend line, because
Mhm.
it's more uh, it's more real to the levels. It's not never only one line. It's always a zone. So I'm expected, if I want to get trade on gold, I want a break of this small support and the trend area. Okay, and it may be also match the break of the 50 MA. So this is what setup I'm waiting for on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, let's check. So on 1 minute time frame, I don't have any strong bounce on key level, but on the other strategies that I tested during the last week. So let me see. We have nothing yet. So remember, guys, the strategy, it was taking a price touching the up and the low of the band of Bollinger combined with the RSI to overbought or oversold. Okay, so Friday I took 3 trades on live streaming with it. Two was losing trades. Remember, guys, it was a nice moment, nice Friday.
Beautiful
it
Friday.
it was my bad, okay, because we had the news on metals calendar, so I should not trade when we are doing the news of metals. So this is what you have to look for when you scalp gold. You have to also check if there is news on metals. So it's not only USD pairs, USD news, etc. So
Mhm.
keep an eye on everything to avoid losses and increase your win rate. So this is it for gold. So if I resume, nothing yet on 1 minute scalp, but expecting maybe a breakdown on 5 minutes time frame. So I will just shift to other big pairs like pound USD. So as you can see, pound USD, we are on a level, and it's also bouncing against the 50 MA from many days. Okay, it's a clear
Very
downtrend.
bearish, though. Very
Yes,
bearish.
and
Hmm.
but it's trying to consolidate in this area. Okay,
Yeah.
and if I want to enter there on 30 minutes time frame, so I want a clear breakout to this top. Okay, for me it will be a sign of a reversal of the trend. Okay, but we are not there at at this moment. So this is 30 minutes trade, so it's not a scalp. So let's move on to lower time frame. Okay, so what I can see is maybe we can see we have a trade to take as a sell. Okay, so there we have a nice revert hammer bouncing on the 30 minutes key level that was broken and came bounce on it, as you can see, and it's also bouncing on the 50 EMA. So let's go on 5 minutes time frame. How it goes up right now. Maybe we have something, maybe not. So what do we have? Let me see. So, hmm, sorry, nothing to trade. 5 minutes time frame. The structure wasn't that great. I want better price action You see,
Mm-hmm.
like this there, it's very clean up, and then we broke this level nicely with this candle. There, it was a nice setup there to take a trade at this break. Stop loss above. This is it was a good selling trade to take. But there on the contrary, the size of the price action is too big for me to try to take anything seriously.
Mm.
So I'm not taking the risk to have too much of a size if I want to scalp. Otherwise, it's not scalping anymore. It will be a day trade, and we saw it with many times when we do live trading sessions. They will take a lot of hours to close the trade, and it's not scalp anymore. It's a day trade. On 1 minute time frame, we may have something, so we are trying to bounce on this level. Okay, there. This is the support, and the resistance. I will put it just above at the top. Okay, this is our key levels, extreme key levels, top and down. We are in the level trying to range. Okay, and consolidate. As you can see, we have divergence of the RSI. The price is making lower low, and the RSI is making lower high. So what I want to see is a break of this up last resistance. Okay, for me to tell me we have a reversal on 1 minute time frame. Otherwise, I want a better structure, like oversold RSI or oversold stochastics. For now, I don't
Mm-hmm.
have none, and it's
Mm-hmm.
only maybe going down.
Mm.
So for pound USD, I'm watching for 1 minute time frame to see anything that may happen. For gold,
Mm-hmm.
I check on 5 minutes time frame for a break down, and it may be soon since we are
Mm-hmm.
on the level to break. And Euro USD, we just going down without any care of any level.
Yeah, we're
But
we're
it's
ca-
respecting very nicely the 50 EMA. As you can see, it's bouncing on it.
Yep.
Clean, clean bounce. So for the ones
Yeah.
who want to trade trend following strategies and bounce pullbacks, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
USD and pound are very good at respecting this kind of strategy.
Yeah.
So on
Yeah.
30 minutes, I have nothing to bounce on it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And on 1 minute time frame, same. It's just getting lower and lower. So with this
Yeah.
strategy, of course, with other strategies, I have many trades to wait for, but we have to avoid doing 5 strategies at the same time since we're already
Yeah.
already scalping. It's a lot of mental charge and consuming
Mm-hmm.
and about watching many assets in addition and time frames. So we
Mm-hmm.
have to select few strategies and not avoid being dispersed. So already
Yeah.
nothing. Pound USD waiting for maybe a reverse on 1 minute time frame. Gold wait for a breakdown. So this is for the main assets. Okay, but I will be checking others. As you
Okay.
can see there, NSD USD, we broke a
Um,
range of many
there
times.
was a comment for the Fabio. Obviously, if I sell, if I sell gold, is it going to be stop loss? That's something we can never tell because we don't know.
So let me
We don't
see
know.
the future, and I will tell you right.
Yeah, right. Wish I would have a future, like a crystal ball to tell me what's going to happen, but it's not. But however, like looking at the gold, I do see the potential for the gold to go lower, but currently there's just not confirmation for me. So I think before we go lower, we might even go and create, take out all this area first of all, right? And then slowly, slowly go to this area to that. I believe this was 1 hour. See, 1 hour. This was support and then resistance, right? So we might go back to that 1 hour resistance. But is it going to happen or not? Obviously, I can't tell. We need to we need to look at the price action, what the price action is going to tell us for that. And then we have a question. Anna, please tell me, how many hours did you spend in one trade, like 30 minutes or 4 hours? How much time? Please tell me. Really, it depends on the trades. Something like Amin said about sometimes from the scalp, you can go in day trade, right? So your scalp trades turn into day trade where you just hold longer. So it's really, really hard to say. But for me, I would need to go look back into the data and see how long I've been holding my trades. And normally, because I manage my trades for the news, they would not be really long time if I trade intraday. And obviously, scalps then would be much less time. Sometimes I've had different trades in here. Some of them hit the take profit really quickly. Some of them took the ages to hit the take profit and all that kind of stuff. So it really
This is
depends on the
this is
setup.
market.
Yeah, it really is. So sometimes it just takes more time. Like this one here, quite quick stop loss, really quick one. How long did it take? Like what? 46 minutes, right? This one here, take profit. Took me from here, it took me hour and 10 minutes to hit the take profit. So it's been yeah, it's been a while. I don't know where. I think there was another one as well. Anyhow, I'm lost now here in the charts. It
Lost
really
in the
depends.
charts.
Really depends. I'm lost in charts for sure. And then
Yeah,
I
this has
really
happened
like,
sometimes. You're like, where is my mind?
where is my mind? Yes, we're really good at singing
Yeah,
and
we need to
speaking.
make a stream for that.
Yeah, we can have a singing stream and speak in Spanish stream as well, although we don't know any Spanish. So
Thinking
for
in
me, quick
Spanish.
analysis, no Spanish. For me, quick analysis on EU, I just want to see this support on 1 minute being taken, and then see like a bearish push. I could enter on this one. I can see the potential setup. But we also had yeah. Can you check Nasdaq? I mean, can you check Nasdaq? I'm not really that good
Yeah,
at
yeah, yeah.
Nasdaq.
I love
Okay, what you're thinking on Nasdaq?
Nasdaq is beautiful.
It's Nasdaq is beautiful. There we go.
It breaks the level. We had a compression there on 1 minute time frame,
Hmm.
as you can see, and we have a lot of bounce on it. Okay, let me
Yep.
clean the chart, and then it came almost bounce on the 50 MA, but it's very close, and boom, break up very nicely.
Hmm.
Okay, and this is the best way to trade the break strategy on Nasdaq.
Hmm.
And as you can see, it was a fast win. But yeah, we didn't take it. We didn't have a stream at this moment. It was before
Yeah.
the stream. So for now, on scalp, it was a good trade to take. It was very nice setup. Like seriously, clean. Nothing to say.
Mm.
One of the best A plus trade with this strategy
A plus trade. Yeah. Haydar says
because
that
it gave a fast.
he missed the Nasdaq since London sessions. That's probably more to the left because we're in New York now.
Yeah.
Um, yeah.
So yeah, the trade we missed. It's more like 1 hour, 30 minutes ago around, just before
Mhm.
the stream. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Learn from it and try to catch another trade for Nasdaq. So this is the scalp. It would have been nice to take. When we can wait is maybe a pullback on this level on 1 minute time frame, or a pullback on a Fibonacci level like this, and it will be nice to come to the 61.8% Fibonacci level and matching in the same time the 50 MA.
Mhm.
This is what I will be expecting since I missed the breakout. I would like up to catch the pullback. So this is for the scalp Nasdaq. So we can check on
Very
5 minutes time
bullish.
frame.
It's so bullish.
Yeah,
It's
same
insane.
same minutes on 5 minutes time frame.
Mm.
So yeah, sorry guys, we missed a nice trade, but but we may have some opportunities if we are focused, like a pullback, or we try to catch this 5 minutes key resistance there, as you can see, and
Mhm.
it's trying to get there. So either you wait for a pullback, and if it's never gonna happen, you try to wait for the price to the other side, but don't
Yeah.
try to chase. You wait for the price on both sides, but not chasing. So they don't have any choice. The price will go up or down,
Mhm.
that's for sure. But it may take time if it decide to go on, on range, but it will get there. So that's it.
Mm.
5 minutes time frame. We'll be waiting for the price to go there on this resistance that was drawn last Friday. Otherwise, if not going up, we'll try to get a pullback after this nice clean breakout, either on the Fibonacci level, 68, 61, 8% with the 50 EMA, or on the directly the resistance if I don't have any good price action for the Fibonacci level.
Mm.
It's my analysis on Nasdaq. Gold going up, pound USD. Maybe it will have a break. I will have to see how it goes. So maybe we will enter soon on pound
Mm.
because we just getting lower and lower with the price action, and the RSI is just going higher and higher. So it's just starting to draw the most recent key resistance on scalp 1 minute time frame. Or USD, it's almost giving the same pattern as you can see on low time frames. Pound USD and Euro USD, they have almost the same chart,
Mhm.
but when you go on higher time frame, 30 minutes, as you can see, there is a clear difference. As you can see, the Euro USD is lower and where the pound is ranging. But when you go on scalp, this is why I suggest to when you scalp for expert to do one trade at a time
Mhm.
and avoid correlation assets because they are alike in lower time frames. They
100%.
are so once a time. NSD yeah, it was. We had a nice break on the 30 minutes key level and pull back on it. Okay,
Mhm.
so if you miss the pullback on the hammer, there is a possibility to catch a break on this break of this small resistance. So this is one
Mhm.
trade. I don't take it, but this is one trade. I don't take it. Why? Because it's not the strategy I'm trading for the moment. As I said, I avoid going rampage on strategies.
Mm.
I have to stick to a few ones. I have already three I follow during the live streams, and I try to avoid adding three or two more. But I can show you the setups. That was a good for me as analysis. So yeah, as you can see, it's going well for
Yeah.
LSD USD. So, but no regret. I keep my follow my plan. But yeah, later, as I said, I will add more strategies. The more we get used to all the ones we're already having. It's just otherwise
Yeah.
it will be too much for you guys. So, but if I keep with the same ones, you will get used it too, and little by little. But yeah, but I will still show you when we have good trades on them, as I showed you on Nasdaq or NSDUSD or yen. I'm waiting for a break up of this resistance on white, Okay, and it's trying to bounce and fight between 30 minutes key support and the 50 MA and there. So if it's breaking up, I will be in. Pound yen, it's dead. It's dead. It's like flat as flat. Not
Mm,
gonna trade anything from this pound yen. Bye bye. USDN, as you can see, it's making a very strong compression there. Okay. Up,
mm,
let me make it more clean. We have a very strong compression between the 30 minutes key resistance and the 50 EMA. Okay, so it's making a very smaller and smaller compression, and there is a sign of a sooner breakout. This kind of pattern is a ascending triangle, and as I said before, it's one of the best trade if you know how to catch it, and you can even place your stop loss at break even, and you just let it go to the moon if it's with nice more volume and momentum. So yeah, I'm waiting for a break, up or down. I'm taking
mm,
something from, but I have to wait. But it's soon, as you can see, it's very soon. It will have to break. Bitcoin, we are on a key level on 30 minutes time frame. Okay, from we came down to a previous level of last week, and we had a lot of rejections. So we can go down on 5 minutes time frame to see how it goes. So there, as you can see, it was a clear downtrend on 5 minutes time frame, and it decided to break this downtrend and the last resistance to make higher highs, as you can see. Up, clear break there at this candle. Okay, we break up, come up, bounce on it, and we are coming to bounce on it again. So there is many options. The ones is the one who took the trade directly at the break, but the next candle didn't go above, so it's not that great momentum, as you can see. The next candle was red, so I don't like it when it's like this. The other option was to take a pullback like this directly on the catch, and we can still try to take it there. Okay, so we have to check on the 30 minutes time frame the price action. Let me see again. So there we have a nice engulfing green candle. Okay, it's today, 1 hours and half ago, and 1 hour ago we made a higher price. So let's go on 5 minutes time frame to catch maybe something. So up here we go there. So the real nice price to catch on 5 minutes time frame was more these breakouts. This one, exactly this one, up there, and yeah, it was. Let me zoom in, otherwise I will hear Anna not being happy. So, as you can see, let me make it clear. There, this candle on 5 minutes time frame broke this strong level, and it also matching the price going higher on the 30 minutes level with the candle. It was engulfing green candle, and this candle was a confirmation of the price going higher. So there it was a nice setup to enter the trade. Okay, just you place the order above, stop loss below. Okay, and 1 to 1, and as you can see, it was a nice trade, clean one. But yeah, it was before the trim. It was
it
before
is
the
what it
stream.
is.
It's okay, guys. It's okay.
Okay, actually, there's Fabio saying that he is selling Nasdaq and the stop above the high, which is good. But the only thing is, Nasdaq is now completely mad taking the highs. So, because
Be
it's the
careful.
market open currently happening, market open for um for the New York. The funny thing is, while you were talking there and explaining the analysis, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna see if gold will do something like this. So I wanted to enter the sales in here, not to wait for this because this is miles away. And for 1 minute scalps is just too far. So just using the current price action, it looks good. Break. Maybe now we pull, and I would actually be interested to sell, but I don't want to feel as if like I'm pushing these setups. Does that make sense? Because we're like trading live. We're like we really want to show the trade, and then it's like, nah, we should follow the plan. We should follow the plan and
Yeah,
just wait.
it's very tempting to try to patch. By the way, I took a trade on gold.
You took a trade on gold. Okay, let
Yes,
me
it
see.
can be very slow and can be very fast
I
sometimes.
see.
It's strange.
Yeah, I see. I see. Okay, we have a trade. We're selling gold. Well, I'm not. Amina is. Good on
It's part of
you.
the plan. As I said,
Okay.
we had these nice patterns, and as you can see, bounce and a lot of rejections on 30 minutes key resistance. And if we broke this small support corresponding also to the break of the 50 MA on the trend area,
Mhm.
I will be in. I told that before, and yeah,
Good.
that's it.
Looks
So
good.
let's see how it goes. I will just place my stop loss better because of the spread. Okay, now I'm good. So yeah, we had other trades that we didn't take other either because we missed the trade because we didn't start streaming at the time, or because it's not part of the strategies like NSD as you can see. It was a good trade to take with the pullback strategy after a break. I didn't take it, but I showed you the pattern, and as you can see, it's going very well for this trade on USD. Pound USD, we have nothing to bounce. Now it's going down for the down, and
I took a trade as well. I took a trade on EU simply because, just like what I said, I wanted to see the break of this
yeah, we
support in
had a
here.
break now.
Yeah, so I entered on the retest. So
Good.
yeah, we'll see. The only thing is, obviously, I'm confused about the take profit because, as you can see, because we're so bearish, it's really hard to find take profit. And I'm looking at through different time frames. 1 hour.
Mm.
On one
So yeah,
hour, we see all this.
it's not easy for this break.
Not easy for this year to find the profit level. So it's okay. I'll wait and see. Maybe I'm gonna be stopped out
I think
anyways because my
it would be
stop is
good to
tight.
have a take profit of 0.5 air, and yeah, your stop loss is it should be
Yeah,
above the last high,
yeah, this one here above this. I put it.
and take profit half of it for this risky trade.
Yeah.
When it's risky trade,
It's 1.10 hour. So it is a little bit above 1 hour. Um I could have put my stop above in here, just like this previous high in here, but I chose this structure in here because I think what happened there is we took the low, so this is like a new range created. So, but obviously, like I said, I'm willing to take the risk because price could, start to do something like this and then go lower, like take me
yeah,
out
yeah,
in
exactly.
this range and then go lower. But the thing is, I'm applying proper risk and I'm only risking 0.5% on this account. I'm fine. I'm fine
Good.
with that. Yeah. Yeah. We'll wait
Very
and
good.
see. Okay, what is your gold doing?
I prefer to not to watch. Okay.
You prefer not to watch. Well, you need to show us.
No,
You need to
it's
show
a
us.
joke. It's
Oh,
a joke.
so
It's
close. Oh, he was so close.
this is a joke, a clear joke. I don't know how to say it about it's joking with me.
Yeah,
It's
it's
okay.
teasing. It's
Like
teasing.
always,
It is teasing.
we trying to scalp, so we want it to be fast and clean, but it's never fast and clean.
Yeah.
It's just teasing day, all night.
Yeah, it's a shame, but
It is what it
nothing we
is.
can do. We just follow
Exactly.
the plan. We apply proper
Exactly. Yeah.
risk, and I think that's what it is. So what else you guys are trading? Because we currently have EU sales and gold sales, and they're not going well. None of the trade.
Truly
Look at
not.
this is gold trade here for Amin, and this is my trade here for myself. And it's just not doing what it's supposed to do, eh?
Oh my god, it's just going up and up.
I know. But Nasdaq started to go lower, which is if you had protected this above this high in here, then you could be in a good profits now. But we will see. Um, and one thing also for GU, technically we could take GU trade as well because we did break the low, and I could be taking this trade in here. So I'm just thinking, do I want to expose myself for that much? If I take 12 pips. Okay, I'll add trade, guys. I will add trade. So it's gonna be 560. No, 530. Even less. Eh. 4. Yeah, something like that. Okay. I'm going to sell GU as well. Like so. Reward. Okay. We're targeting the low in here. Like that. Here. That is my setup. Here. Okay. Makes sense?
Makes sense, but the market sometimes he just doesn't care.
Market never cares. Like, so
He's a
that's what
bully.
I'm
He's
thinking.
a bully. Market is a bully.
Market is just rude sometimes, but I think that's why it's so important. If you understand why you're entering trade, if you know exactly why you took the trade, if you know your risk management and you're willing and you're accepting it, you're accepting the fact that this trade, I accept the loss straight away. I know that I can lose these both trades. um but yeah, I think it's just that acceptance is important for sure. So we'll see what is going to happen. Let me quickly look at the gold. Hey, gold is still teasing you. Let me see. Let me see your charts. Get break even. Oh no.
It's like maybe I will go up, maybe I
Yeah.
will go down. Look the true candles, long weeks, long weeks in the both side. It's a joke.
Yeah.
So it's telling me, yeah, I will go up or down. We never know.
Mm. We never know. We never know what's gonna happen. But I think also for scalping, when we are scalping, it's so important to stay grounded. For when I mean is just really try to calm down as much as you can and just repeat it that whatever decision you made, it was based on your trading plan. Unless obviously you have taken the trade that you should not be taking, then obviously you will feel more stress. But I think with the time
True.
when you're scalping, and this is what I'm learning because I'm not really into scalping for a very long time. I just recently started to look at 1 minute charts. And what I can say is that once you know exactly why you enter the trade, it's so much easier to sit through it. Even if it is teasing you, kissing your profit almost, right? It's still good, because like it's still good in a sense that it's okay. Yes, you are a little stressed, but at least you did things right, So yeah, it's good. Hadar says, did you trade US 30? I personally don't. I mean, I call US 30 a monster. So what about you? Do you look at US 30 at all?
No, not at all. Not at all. I don't look at US 30. Only two main assets I check on the stock market is yeah, the Nasdaq and SP 500.
BF 500, yeah. But I know a lot of traders prefer US 30 for the just so many traders trade US 30 alone. Um, and
True.
um, and I'll tell you why I call it a monster, because the way it moves, it's ridiculous. Um, Look at this. This is the US 30 chart here. Beautiful movement here. Beautiful movement. In 10 minutes, we moved 141 pips, which is, a lot. And when you
Nice
look
for
at the
scalping.
it is for scalping for sure. So that's why I say that if you trade US 30, you're probably a scalper and you really enjoy the fast movement, because it is fast. And also, it is trading relatively in zones really nicely. So it supports resistance, it supports the price action, really does support these zones like key levels. It trades really nicely. But for me, it's just a little too risky, too much movement. So I want something that's more calm, like GU or EU. Um, Obviously, currently EU is just not being my friend. And GU, a rejection wick. Let's see if it can start to print more price action. And it's just a simple price action reading in here as well. I'm not that bothered, but once the price will take this high, if it does, then I'll be like, yeah, I was probably wrong, and the price might find some support in here and move higher. But at this moment, seeing, because obviously now we know what happened, but at this moment, if we only saw this bearish candle, for us, it looked price is ready to go lower. So that's why we take the trade. Obviously, now I see that the trade is in the drawdown and I can start to feel all emotions, all emotional. But at this moment, when I saw this and when I executed the trade, this trade looked good. It was good trade, and it still is good trade. So yeah, and I just need to follow the price action and see what's going to happen. If we're going to take, would be nice to see now these right, let me draw a little bit. So this one here to be protected. Okay, so we protect this, and then price is starting to break this area in here, and then we come to retest, and then we go lower. This is would be ideal. Okay, that would be really ideal scenario. Will it happen? I don't know. For now it looks like it could, but also at the same time we could start to bounce, take this high in here, and then just go for my stop. So, but I'm prepared. I'm prepared either way. I have applied proper risk, and I'm happy either way. If it's going to be take profit, obviously I'm going to be more happier. But if it's going to be stop loss, I accept it. I did my analysis and I think I did well. Yeah. Okay. How about gold? What is gold doing there? Still teasing you?
Yeah.
Oh no. But I like price action because look what it
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
Nice.
It's like a pullback after the break.
Yeah. Yeah. I like the price action. I really
This is
do.
good. This is good. So
Yeah.
yeah, for now, gold, I have nothing to do and only to wait. Pound
Mhm.
USD, nothing to check. Or USD, you have the trade. You took the break, and it's trying to do yeah, after the break pullback and trying to go lower. This is good price action. So
Mhm.
for me, yeah, I will be placing the stop loss there above, and I will be making take profit half of it below. And as the
Mhm.
USD, yeah, uh, it was a good
Oh,
setup.
mommy.
It
This
was a
was
good setup. Very clean
yeah.
trade, fast. So it was a nice trade to take for a pullback after a breakout. But
Yeah.
I just showed you the setup, but I didn't take it because I have to follow the rules of not adding too much strategies.
Yeah.
But when I see a good setup, at least I will show you.
Mhm.
Euro yen, nothing. Still waiting for a break up. Pound yen, nothing to say. USD yen, wait also for a break up, preferably, or down if not. Bitcoin USD between two levels, nothing. Solana USD, it will follow the same pattern. And ETH USD, we are ranging in the 30 minutes key support, and we have a lot of rejections on this small gray area. So
Mhm.
once we have a break up of this small resistance, I will be inside the trade on ETH. So that's it for the full setups. As you can see, we have one trade ongoing on gold. We
Mhm.
missed some trades on Bitcoin and Nasdaq, and we had a good trade to take on NSD but we didn't take because it's not part of the plan for now during our live streaming sessions. And we are watching for a few setups to happen on other assets. That's it. Let me
That's
get
it.
back to beautiful gold. Oh my god.
I know. I know, but look at this. Look at this for a minute for me, right? So I said I wanted
Yes.
to take this. This would have been a take profit. Would have been a take profit. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. I know those things are bad. You should not be saying this. But yeah, if I could just, uh, I don't know. As a trader, I say this all the time. Even now, over 10 years trading, I will still like, I wish I could take time back, like go back in time. Only like 20 minutes. And
Yeah,
just take the
it will be
trade,
great.
you know? It will be great, but it is what it is. So GU is good price action. I like this. EU, still a good price action now. I would want to see these highs protected, start to break this low. That would be ideal. But I expect that price might start to, like create something like this and then break, come retest and lower. So something like that. But yeah, it looks okay. I'm in green in both trades. Can you believe that?
I mean, yeah, same. It's green on my side. I mean, the candles are green.
the can Yeah, but for you, the candles need to be red. Oh no. Oh
As soon
no.
as the stop loss, very strong
Yeah,
momentum.
very strong.
Not even any. Let me check the news. Wait a moment.
Let me check the news. Oh no.
So I
Oh no.
checked already the news for metals news, but I have nothing. It will be in 12 minutes. We have a strong news. Up, stop loss taken.
Mm.
Bye bye for gold. It was a nice day. So yeah, for forex pairs, yeah, nothing yet. So everything is in 12 minutes. So yeah, it was a clean losing trade by following my plan. No regret.
Mm. Yeah,
I
I'm
will
thinking.
still try to catch a selling trade if it break back down because we are making a higher high, but the RSI is making higher low, so we have a divergence on the RSI. So I will just place the level there and
Mhm.
wait for it to break down. If not, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's not look at your ugly trade. Let's look at my beautiful trades. So far they're beautiful because they're in profit.
I agree.
But the thing is, like, I really like this price action, so I'm just waiting for these lows to be taken. Um, and for GU, we are moving nicely downwards. So this was beautifully broken, retest, and then yeah, a good trade. The one thing is what I would like to do, because we're going to wrap up the stream. First of all, guys, please join the Discord community because we are not we. I mean, is streaming there Monday to Friday, and and it's your opportunity to get to know each other as well, because we have a lot of traders sharing their trading ideas on the Discord as well. And guys, we are going to have some fun this week. We are going to do sneaky giveaways. So I'm really, really excited for that. So please join in the Discord. The link is in description. There is on the announcements, you can see the schedule for the Amin streams on the Discord. And yeah, and that's it. Is there news? What is going on? Like the movement is
In
just
10 minutes, there is a big news.
okay. Well, I am going to close the trade because I'm trading. This is senior account. I have a news rule 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. I cannot trade. So I am going to close my trades. Let's see. Oh,
You do
EU.
well.
EU. I wanted to close at the break even and it's not letting me now. Look at this. So bad. Okay, I'm going to close the pound and I'm going to close the EU as well. I want a little profit. Okay, there we go.
Here we go.
I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Okay, so the EU closed, GU closed. I'm happy. Today's profit for the live trading room is $282. There we go. 0.2. Yeah, 0.28%. Yeah, could have been also this trade, but coulda, woulda, shoulda, doesn't count. So it is what it is. But I'm excited to see what's going to happen after the news. Maybe we go back into here, into this range, and then we can trade. But we'll be back tomorrow, guys. So thank you so much for joining the stream. We appreciate you all. Always use proper risk management, and we will see you tomorrow. And remember to join Discord to see how Amin is doing on the streams in there. Losers or winners, it doesn't
Always
matter.
winning on Discord.
Always winning on Discord. Okay, so you need to join Discord. Right. Okay, guys, take care and we will
Bye-bye.
see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.